What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. As you guys see by the title and thumbnail, you guys probably already know we're getting a new exhaust for the E92.
Welcome to Wendy's. What number would you like?
It's happening guys. A new mod on the E92. Finally, I haven't done anything to this car in so long. So right now, as you guys can hear, it's very loud, super loud. I had to put the quiet M3 on there to make it a little ironic, but all right guys, here it is. So this is the new exhaust setup that we're going to be running on the E92. It is a Bomi's, focus, a company called Bomi's. I've been in contact with this company for a while now. Bomi's, good homie of mine. He has the E92 M3 as well, but he makes these exhausts for our cars, and they also have valves, which is super sick. This is what really sold me on the exhaust. There's valves, so we can make it quiet and loud. So I like having a loud car, but sometimes it's pretty annoying, so it's sick to have some valves. We can make it quiet, we can make it loud. And this is my previous setup. I don't think I've ever showed you guys my exhaust setup before, but we literally just cut the muffler off, welded some tips. Super ghetto. Super ghetto setup, but that's why it's so freaking loud. It's just fully straight piped. But now now we're gonna have these mufflers. It should make it sound completely different too, so the car might have like a whole different tone, which I'm excited to hear. I don't even know how it's gonna sound. And then these are the exhaust tips that we're going with. I wanted black ones, and I probably will get some black ones eventually, but the homie hooked us up with some chrome ones just to see a little difference, because right now I have, they used to be like, I don't know, I don't even know what color they used to be, but you guys know this car shoots a lot of flames, and it literally just burnt my exhaust tips. See how it looks. Will it look cool? Bro, Hugo came over from Fresno. He came down here and he's rocking the hoodie. Look at it. Woo! I got the shirt on. Look at that. I can show you the shirt. I don't think I've showed the shirts on the vlog, but we make shirts too. So if you guys want a shirt or a hoodie, go grab them. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It literally has valves. I can't wait to see it open and close. Like, I'm so excited to see how it sounds closed and open. He told me that when you close them, the car literally sounds stock. And that's perfect because if you guys know, I live in California, and the cops here hate loud cars. They hate them. I've already got a state ref, and if you guys don't know what that is, when you get a state ref, you have to put your car back to completely stock. And I do not want that to happen again, so we're gonna put this exhaust on, and hopefully I never have to get pulled over again. Because I could just close it and be like, it's stock, officer. Wow. Wait, leave it. Bro, look how ugly that shit is compared to this. That's horrible. I've been running this for probably like 3 years now, when we just cut off the muffler delete. But we did run into one problem. I don't know if we lost them or what, but we lost the 2 hangers that were on both sides. But we need 2 hangers that hang down from here and hold the exhaust up. So we're just gonna order new hangers and get this exhaust mounted up. But it looks sick. Like, I think the exhaust tips are gonna hang out more, like maybe like right here, like that. Badass. A lot of people are already DMing me and telling me why I'm putting a muffler on, because it already sounds so sick. Okay guys, we got the hangers finally. The hangers are on. Now the exhaust isn't just hanging there. We're almost done. It's done guys. The exhaust is on, the tips are on. So this is gonna be the first startup with the exhaust. Oh, I'm nervous. I think the valves are closed. It's about to be so quiet. It's gonna be so weird. I'm down, yeah. What the fuck, bro? My car is quiet for the first time. You haven't already? Oh shit! Bro, it stock when you close it. What the fuck? That is so sick. That's badass, dude. Oh shit! Look at this, guys. Here's the remote. So we can literally go open and close with a push of a button. I'm stuck. So if a car pulls me over, I'm stuck. That's so crazy. Look at this, guys. Guys, my car sounds stock. Like it's on and we can literally have a conversation right here. Oh my god. Now it's a quiet M3.
Huh? What was that? Bro, it sounds stock. Oh my. Bro, that's crazy. Bro, that's crazy.
That is so sick. Okay, let's do like a close and then after and see how it sounds. I'll rev it.
Close.
Bro, that's crazy. Thank God. Finally? Nah, it's actually so tough. Right about what he sounds. It sounds better when it's close.
Bro, that's crazy. Oh my god. Bro, the car sounds stock.
That's stuck. Guys,
Stock.
with a button, bro. This is so crazy. Guys, okay, I knew it was gonna be quiet, but not this quiet. It completely sounds stock. I would not be scared next to cops anymore. I'm not gonna be scared.
For real, you could easily just
I can close that shit.
close it.
Bro,
You're good.
like, even if I got pulled over with the valves open, if he comes to my window, I'll just close it and be like, you want me to rev it? It's stock. Like, look at this shit.
Bro.
Holy shit, bro. You guys, okay, so the loud exhaust is so cool. Everyone wants a loud exhaust. But after having a loud exhaust for like 4 years, you kind of get annoyed. Like, it's just really annoying sometimes. Like,
Bro.
talk, bro. You
For real.
couldn't talk to nobody when I'm just having a conversation. In the
Yeah,
car.
so like people don't understand how loud the car is even when you're inside the car. If you've never been in this car or ever seen the car in person, people don't understand.
See, it's like that. That's how it used to be. All the time. This is the best investment, I think, for any E92 owner. A valve exhaust. Buy Bomis. Like, they make a really sick exhaust. I've heard them in person, and I just could not wait to put one on my car. Like, I've been wanting to do this forever. I'm gonna do like a
I
pull
want to
and
hear
stop.
how it sounds. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. Pull stock and then do pull loud.
Guys, I haven't heard my car this quiet in 4 years. Like, when I first bought the car, it was this quiet. Bro, it's so weird. I'm driving a stock, you know, it's a quiet M3 for
Oh,
real.
hey, now you can be quiet when you want to be quiet. So, bro.
Oh my god, dude.
Now that's one thing I have a question. What if you're popping and your valves are
So
closed?
that's the thing that's scary. So they did warn me to don't shoot flames with the closed because the flames are so crazy that I think it would break the valve.
Bro, you made flames come out right there. Just revving.
Yeah, so I need to make sure I don't push the car that much when the valves are closed, but when I want to have fun, you know. Bro, it has a different tone.
Yes.
It's actually good, guys. Like, the
But it
car
sounds
completely
good.
different. It sounds nice.
It
now,
sounds
right?
really good. Right now, open.
I think it's open right now.
Close first?
Yeah, do close first. That's so crazy. They get so quiet. Bro, it literally sounds stock. Oh my. Go more, go more, go more. Dude, it sounds so sick. So sick. You drive it, you go. The exhaust sounds so good. I'm so excited, bro.
Bro, you're on good height, right? Because you remember what happened last time.
Who remembers that vlog when Hugo broke my lip in my E36?
You remember that?
Do not break this one. This one's carbon fiber.
That's what I'm saying.
That's stock. That's crazy,
Bro,
yo.
that's crazy stuff.
Yeah, the new servo's crazy, huh? Bro, it sounds so sick. It's still super loud.
Yes.
It sounds exactly how it used to be. Like,
yes, it's still loud.
The loudness is like the same. When I was in contact with Bomi's, they told me that it'll sound straight pipe when I open them, and when I close them, it's completely stock. And that's exactly how it sounds.
Bro, I need this car.
It's faster.
I need this car.
I should have done this exhaust years ago, bro. Like, this is the exhaust to get. I swear, it's the perfect exhaust setup. Dude, they look sick chrome. Look, you can actually see them.
Yeah, they do look really good.
I think, like, if you guys look at all my pictures on Instagram, you couldn't really see the tips at all because they were so dirty and black. So now you're able to see the tips.
They were not.
It looks clean.
They were not because they were black. They were just dirty.
And they were burnt too. And all the flames. Why are you doing that?
What am I doing? Bro, how would you even drift this fucking steering wheel? I swear. Have you tried?
I tried. It's not that hard.
Bro, come on.
You just look down and
I think I'll crash it.
but you have to look at the steering wheel. I'm taking away Joseph's privilege of the open exhaust. You have to stay quiet, bro.
Bro, open that fucking thing. I'll go out and open it with my own hands. Yo!
Bro, you're pulling me back. Bitch.
Alright guys, now that it's dark out, I want to get some video of see how much flames it shoots now. I don't know how much flames it shoots at this new exhaust, but we're about to see.
It's quiet. Bro, those flames were huge. Bro, I can't, my ears. Bro, the flames were huge. I swear to God, the flames are like this. Like this, bro.
Oh my God. I think it's shooting bigger flames than it used to.
Yes.
Okay guys, we made it home. The car's in the garage with the new exhaust. I'm so hyped. This exhaust is so sick. Like, I wish I did this a long time ago. It's the best freaking thing I've ever done to the car, I think. It sounds so freaking good, and literally I can push a button and it goes completely stock. And I don't know, like, the loud exhaust is so sick. Being straight piped is so sick. But after like 3 years of driving a straight piped exhaust, it's so annoying. Like, it's so cool to make videos with it, but it's so annoying when you're just trying to drive home late at night, listen to music, have a conversation with somebody in the car. It's like impossible. So the valves is freaking awesome. I've been driving with the valves closed like all day. It's so sick.
Bro, it's insane.
It's sick, huh?
It's crazy.
You're gonna put the same one probably? Hugo's getting his E92 soon, and I think I convinced him, or this exhaust pretty much convinced him what exhaust setup he's gonna go with. But huge shout out to Bomi's for hooking us up with the exhaust. This is literally the best exhaust. If you guys want to go get one, I'm gonna leave the link down below. And also their Instagram right here. It's Bomi's. They make E92 exhaust. I think they make 335 exhaust. And now I think they're starting to get into like McLaren's. So I don't know, crazy, but this is such a sick exhaust, such a sick investment. And I don't think I'll ever do any other exhaust but a valve exhaust from now on. That is so sick. Go watch Hugo's video. Hugo actually filmed the whole entire install too. I think he filmed more than I did because I'm just not good at vlogging anymore, bro. I'm about to quit. So go watch Hugo's video. I'm gonna leave that in the description as well. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already. Subscribe to Hugo if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.